Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create anime videos with Hailuo AI. First, open Hailuo AI and go to the video generation section. Start by deciding what type of anime scene you want to create, such as a character scene, action sequence, fantasy environment, or cinematic story. Now write a detailed but clear prompt. Describe the anime character, clothing, hairstyle, expression, environment, action, lighting, and camera movement. For example, you could write, an anime-style young hero standing on a rooftop at sunset, wind moving his hair and jacket, glowing city lights in the background, dramatic lighting. And a slow cinematic camera movement. If you already have an anime image, you can also use the image-to-video workflow. Upload the image and describe the movement you want to add. After entering your prompt, generate the video and wait for Hailuo AI to finish processing. Once the video is ready, preview it carefully. Check the character's appearance, animation, movement, background, and camera motion. If the result doesn't match your idea, improve the prompt and generate another version. Keep important character details consistent if you want the same character to appear across multiple scenes. You can experiment with different anime styles, environments, actions, and camera movements to create unique scenes. Once you're happy with the result, save the video and use it in your projects, YouTube content, shorts, or social